If you are facing big screen or zoomed screen problem in your iPhone, your apps are looking bigger and your iPhone text size also looks irritating and bigger in size, so how can you solve this issue in your iPhone? There are two methods by which you can solve this problem. First one is go to Settings, then scroll down and open Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down again, and at the last you can see Display Zoom is set to zoomed. Open this and select Default. After this screen turn off, and your display come to original default zoom settings. Moving towards second setting, go to Control Center, tap and hold, and then tap on Add a Control. Here you can see Text Size Indicator. Click on this to add on Control Center. Now in the Control Center, adjust the text size according to your will. Where you think size is good, set it to that percentage. By these two methods, you can solve the issue of zoom screen and bigger text size. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.